As you see, my IDM trial period has ended and it is asking for a serial key to continue. Let's start the trick. First of all, exit IDM and close all the IDM tasks in Task Manager, if any. Now press Windows key plus R to open Run. Type regedit and click OK. Now follow the instructions given on screen. Now close the registry editor and restart your computer. After restart, open IDM. Here you go. You can use IDM freely. If the IDM message box still shows up, just close it and continue to use IDM, it should be fine. Please note that this registry editing method works on Windows user account basis. So if you have multiple user accounts on your Windows PC, you just need to do it for each user. Anyway, it won't take long. Thanks for watching.